CCTV
Hatu pindon am katong manlong kita kinong shed hagi hotel dan hagi restaurant ibapau. Hamokam hilapan pun orlong yang katong kejongpi. Ke emission kelap play bani ai ki course ki bapel kadon ke degree course ke diploma baga advanced diploma course.
Ka environmental jong ka Khasi Students Union Central Executive Council balalam khmat do assistant environment secretary habo ka jingalam usamla shell kit bok harbani bat kinong yalam ka KSU South Khasi Hills District Unit hagalai dari julio araja apun rio kilalai ban ai kublai bat ban Pynkup Burom Kyrpang yu ba Hally war ubalayok priang ya Khusnam Padma Shri araja apun rio hayeng sa jong u kebadan hak nong sej nong kro kajing Pynkup Burom ka senggolong hadian baka sarkar pedeng kala Pynkup Burom yu daga Khusnam Padma Shri kabade ka wei ni ki Khusnam ka bahe hagri India namar ka jingla jong u bante ye ki jingking jiri bal ai kerteng kum ka umkar living root bridge.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.